Morning people, this is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. We out here doing another video today. This is a little double deep 8 frame beside the one we did yesterday. That's the one we did yesterday with the top. But this is the one right beside it. So we're going to go, y'all don't need that close, okay. Right there. This is March the 5th, it's about 10:30. This is hive number 321. Last time we went into it was on February 24th. We added the deep box, checkerboarded. Queen was in there somewhere. So let's see how they're doing. Now. I know. Out of pollen, out of food. Okay, that frame there has got some pollen on both sides. We're going to set it right there for right now. We're going to say, Sam, put your glasses on. Love this weather, people. See, short sleeve shirts on and everything. This one has some honey, some nectar, some pollen. Same thing on that side. Pretty frame. This one doesn't have much of anything on it. Take another closer look, Sam. Got that little queen cup. That don't mean nothing. This next one here looks like it's got brood. Okay, this one has brood on it. Don't see any eggs. But we got new babies on here and we got brood. So the queen will be coming up here whenever she finishes what she's doing, wherever. Same thing on both sides. This frame here, not much. This top up here looks like it's just getting ready. Like I said, it's only been a week. That was just frames. That was just frames. Okay. So we're going to take all these. Not much on them up here, so this frame, there's no fat frames. So put that up there. See where the queen's at. Oh, mercy, but it's heavy. Okay, we get down here in this one. Got it stuck pretty good. There we go. This one has some honey or some nectar on it. That side has some honey and nectar. There we go. And we're just going to take it and kind of sit it over here without squishing anybody. There you go, girls. This one has some pollen and some nectar on it, and some holes where we cut queen cells out of. But we want to see eggs, so we know we've still got a queen. This one has some brood and some larvae. And some eggs. So we got a queen somewhere. See if we can find her. Okay. Right here we got some brood. There's some larvae in here, and there's some eggs in here. This over here is nectar. And that was the third frame over, so one got me. Be right back. Okay, we're back. That was just a robber from another hive in here. Okay, this one's got some eggs and some larvae. This one has some brood, some eggs, some larvae. And some nectar. Got some larvae down here and brood and nectar. This side over here has some capped brood here. This is all nectar. There's eggs and stuff down there too. Come on, girls. This one here has brood, eggs, larvae, honey, nectar, pollen. This side over here has the same thing. This is capped brood. This is a little girl bringing in some pollen. This is nectar and pollen, and there's eggs and larvae in there. Come on, girls, calm down. This one here has brood, capped brood, some eggs in the drone cells, eggs, pollen, larvae, and the queen is still hiding. That side is the same thing. Maybe the queen is jumping frames. They do that sometime. This is drone. They got drone cells in there with some drone eggs. This is all worker brood. This is honey, nectar, and pollen. Sometimes when you pick up a frame that's got a queen on it, she'll jump over to the next one. And if we don't see her, that's okay, because we know she's here. We would like to see her, but there she is. There's a little white queen, big white queen, and that's all laid up, and that's all we're going to say about it. And she'll come up when she wants to. And this one is all nectar. Maybe it's a little early for these bees this morning. We're going to give them some food so that'll make them happy. And we may not mess with them for a couple of weeks because they got a big box and they're growing. Come on, girls. And that's about it. Y'all saw the brood, the eggs, the queen. You saw that upstairs she has plenty of room. She still got some room down here too, but what I could do is take this one off, put a super up here, so they'll start with the honey. And we're going to give them a treat. And they have pollen outside that they're bringing in now. But if you notice, these girls right here are eating the pollen. So they don't figure they've got enough. So we're going to give them a little bit more. There you go. And we're going to take this box. Come on, girls. They have some pollen, so I'm not going to give them any more. We're going to put that up there. We're going to fill up their food dish. That way they can work on those frames more. I don't think they really store sugar water that much for honey. They use it for building the hives, building the frames. They do use it to feed the bees, make bee bread. But we'll stop feeding them here shortly. As soon as the nectar flow starts up good. And that's this one. This is 321 East Fence. It is March the 5th. South Carolina. Hope y'all enjoy. Give me a thumbs up. Give my bees a thumbs up. Give us let us know what you think. Give us a comment, share. I'm gonna open some of this top up here. But y'all enjoy. Have a great day. Bye.